Alam mo ba, minsan, the more we expect, the more frustrated we get. Kasi kapag may specific tayong inaasahan, lagi nating kinokontrol ang resulta. Pero ang totoo, ang control, pagod lang yan. Kapag binitawan mo ang expectations mo, doon nagsisimula ang totoong freedom. Expect nothing doesn't mean you stop dreaming. Ibig sabihin, you trust God enough to let go of your timetable, your specific outcome, your need to control. Parang science din yan. When your energy is open and aligned, mas dumadaloy ang possibilities. And when your spirit is surrendered, mas dumadaloy ang blessings. Kaya minsan, the less you expect, the more miracles show up. Psalm 37 verse 4 says, "Delight yourself in the Lord, and He will give you the desires of your heart." Kaya kaibigan, choose to expect nothing to Him. Dahil doon mo makikita, God will surprise you. Follow me at Ellen on Purpose para sa mga ganitong faith and frequency reflections. Share this kung kailangan mo ng reminder today. God bless.